In this video, I will be showing you multiple solutions on how to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file. Let's get started. The first solution is to analyze and sync your system clock. I go to the bottom right of my screen, right-click on the date and time, and select Adjust Date and Time. In the settings, I toggle Set Time Automatically off, and then turn it right back on to refresh the synchronization. If that first solution didn't work, the second method is clearing the specific site data. I return to my browser, click the padlock icon next to the web address, and select Site Settings. Here, I click the Delete Data button and confirm by clicking Delete to clear the cache. If you are still experiencing issues, the third solution is clearing your overall browser data for performance enhancement. I click the three dots in the top right corner, select Delete Browsing Data, and then click the Delete Data button. If the upload is still failing, the next solution is resetting your network configuration. I move down to the Windows search bar, type CMD, and open the command prompt. I type ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. Once that succeeds, I type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Then, I type exit to close the command prompt. If none of the previous steps worked, the final solution is to utilize an incognito window. I return to my browser, close the Settings tab, click the three dots in the top right, and select New Incognito Window. I quickly search for ChatGPT and open the website. I click Log In, input my email address, and enter my password to access my account. Now, let's analyze if the upload feature is fixed. I click the plus icon, select Add Photos and Files, choose my sample PDF document, and click Open. The file uploads perfectly, allowing ChatGPT to fully analyze the document and provide enhanced responses. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.